I heard you.
Thank you so much.
We just can't charge her with that because she won't walk past upstairs. We'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now. Nope.
I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right
We're
now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please? Can you please?
How many times you asked for discount? What's the counter looking like?
You're taking my phone from me, like.
Sarah, you're in trouble.
Ma'am, can you
Wait,
walk?
you're
Thank
taking
you.
all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are they gonna do?
It's gonna go in your
What are
property.
they? I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my
Yes.
things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're not taking
Like,
your
please,
things.
my stuff is over there, and I want it.
He's
And
coming with us.
Can you stand up so we don't?
Yo, what's poppin', GE Gang? Sports people, we are back with another banger reaction video. How my people doing today? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing great, feeling great. I know some of us are dealing with the weather. Some of us got some good weather. I ain't gonna lie, out here in Washington, usually it's rainy and cold. Last 2 days, sun type. You know what I'm saying? So I was outside just a little bit. Went for a drive, came back home, right back in the office. You know what I'm saying? So I know some people dealing with snow, rain, no, 12 degrees type. Shout out to you guys. Get that space heater, turn the heater on, everything. You cannot be cold. Light bill, $1,000. I mean heater bill, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing great, feeling great. I'm about to tap into a video. I'm just trying to get back. I'm backlogged, so I'm trying to catch up. So we about to tap into the video when entitled "Woman Demands a Discount." Listen, I know that store. That's Ross. You can't get no more discountery, and then it's Ross already. Like that's like going to Burlington and TJ Maxx. It's already discounted from the bigger store, JC Penney's, and you know what I'm saying. All right, bet. Cool. We're gonna tap into that. Before we get into that, though, we got to check on our people's meeprees. You know what I'm saying? So tap down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. And listen. I already know we got some people going through things, including me, including you. But at the end of the day, eat water, drink fruit, detox, laugh, and more laugh. Cleanse that liver, laugh some more, go through it to get through it, and we'll go about our day. Simple as that. Can't get no more simpler. With that being said, let's go ahead and tap at the video and see what kind of discount you want. You want it for a free $99? Like, this is insane.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So I had this lady here. She was
How's it
trying
going?
to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does
Hold
not.
on. Threw me off completely. Why is she smiling like a little kid? Why is the officer, like, she's right next to them telling the story. And she's in a little cubicle. She looks like she's a kindergarten teacher. And now she looks like she's one of the 5-year-olds in her class. In a cubicle on timeout. Like, she just smiling. Like, hold up, y'all gotta see that. Watch the smile. She just look at the officer like, yes, I the crazy. Like, what?
So I had this lady here. She was
How's it
trying to buy.
What do you smile like that for? That's called the throw off. You know what I'm saying? All right, 5-year-old. And it looked like listen, it looked like she got a ring on. You're married and you're acting like a 5-year-old right now. I don't know where these guys you find these women, bro. Like, they're not all the way grown, not all the way together. You're acting like a kid in Ross.
Merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass her.
Okay. Ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store, all right?
Hard of hearing, so.
Well, you gotta leave the store, all right?
Look at that fat
If you
ring she
refuse to
got on
leave,
her
you'll
finger.
be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest.
How old are you, though? Really, though?
Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay?
You don't
Are you refusing to leave? I'm gonna give you one more time.
She's literally recording on her phone.
Ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous? You just want to what?
Discount. I don't get. They give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company, and he has all my money. So I don't have the money.
Well, they're not gonna give any discounts.
But they won't. Well, okay, that's fine. That's fine if they would give the discount, but they won't hold it close for me.
They don't have to hold it close for you. Okay?
Baby, this ain't Walmart. You know, you go to Kmart, Walmart, and go put about $500 on layaway. It's over. They don't do that no more. You know why? All those clothes on hold, nobody comes back to get them. Then people missed out. They did away with that, baby. This is Ross. Already discounted. What do you mean your boyfriend, he works for the company? So what? What does that mean? Does he own Ross? Like, come on, baby. Like, you got to be more grown up than this. Like, and you're recording on a secret. You act like we not knowing you recording. Like, what is that gonna do for anybody? Show how retarded and Scooby-Doo-ish you are? Like, he got the video, you got the video, ma'am. Pay up. You about to go to jail.
I mean,
It's just what?
it's absolutely insane.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it. Simple. So you refuse to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning.
Her faces are taking me out.
Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Yeah,
She told you to leave.
to the
You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
You're gonna hurt me.
You're just gonna go to jail.
Please don't hurt me. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Next on three, next.
If you do not leave,
So will you hurt me if I don't leave?
I will place you under arrest.
Will you hurt me? I don't want to be hurt. Okay. You guys really
They wanna prosecute?
We're
Yeah.
trying to
Cool.
get a discount.
This is waste.
You guys want to prosecute, right?
Because we're gonna be here. This is nonsense.
Do you guys want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
Prosecuted press charges?
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Okay. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys. What's your name?
All right, they're calling their store managers. If you do not leave by the time they get off the phone with him, you're going to be under arrest.
So I'm gonna have to be this way. I just want a
Doesn't.
discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, ma'am.
You're seriously gonna arrest me for trying to get
What
a
discount are you wanting?
My boyfriend gets 20% off, and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets here.
You're gonna. If he's really your boyfriend, you're gonna make him lose his job.
Right.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna just give me a discount.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to be in
Insane.
handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount. So,
Okay.
like, all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. I just
Well,
want a
the discount's
discount,
not gonna happen.
or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
Okay.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
I asked her and she.
So this is going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
What does that mean? What
I've
is
asked you
jail.
multiple times to
what
leave.
is process? What is
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It
warning.
means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
You go to jail.
How long will I be in jail?
So someone bails you out.
So you bail out.
$1,000 bond.
I'm like, baby, what is all the questions? There's really people like this walking around the world. Like, what world are you from? Like, you're an adult, right? You got a ring on your finger, right? Like, what? I'm confused. How did your parents let you go into the world like this? Because you're clearly not ready to be an adult. You're clearly not ready to be somebody's significant other. Clearly. You're clearly not ready to have kids or teach them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm about to lose my shit doing this video. Like, that's how annoyed I am. I know they're annoyed. Like, do you understand they just told you that it's $1,000 bond? You asking for a discount. Now, the clothes you could have bought, you about to have to pay to get out of jail bonded. Are you goofy? Like, are you not comprehending? If I go to jail, how long I'm going to be in jail? Why does that even matter? If I don't leave, are you guys going to hurt me? So you don't want to get hurt, but you'll go to jail if they don't hurt you? I'm confused. Help me out. Somebody please help me out. These people are walking around with us.
That they want to press charges. You're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount.
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to hold these clothes so my boyfriend can get
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has.
You're not. We just told you you're not getting a discount. You don't have money. You don't have a reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but
Then leave.
I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work.
I said I would, but the way my bank account is set up, the thing is, I got a checking in the savings, but all the money is in my savings. So I got to switch it to my checking, but it's going to take 3 business days.
If he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys like this.
No, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
Okay, I'm not gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Just any place thought this through. Like, what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through already.
There's gotta
We've told
be-
you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please. Sorry? Please tell me there's another solution.
There is no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, are you gonna hurt me if I don't?
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
Yeah.
She's clearly not going to leave at all. She's not leaving.
My thing's
She's not
recording too, so-
comprehending.
So I have to go to jail. You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to go to jail.
So
Frozen.
okay, I
Yeah,
have.
okay.
Okay. So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. Do you tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda
What is
for
this?
trespass after warning.
Okay. So what? All right. So we don't have to read the Miranda rights. Okay. What? So okay. Let's. I don't want to go to jail. What else can I
If you
do
don't want to go to
besides-
jail, you can just leave the store. It's that
What
easy.
else can I do besides do that?
All right, perfect, you guys. Thank you.
Going to jail now, baby. Taser, taser, taser. Get your ass out of
You
here.
can buy the clothes, but they're not giving you a discount.
Go,
I
bye.
don't. My boyfriend has my money,
Next time.
so I can't buy the clothes.
Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you'll have to leave the clothes here until you get
They
money to
won't
buy
let
them.
me. They won't. That's what they won't let me.
They want to press charges.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt me. You're gonna
Yeah, we
hurt me.
know. Stop resisting.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thanks, get up.
I'm
You
not.
want to do it behind the back right there? All right.
Listen,
I'll leave.
it's going to
Please,
cost you
I'll
more
leave.
money to buy the
Nope.
clothes.
Nope.
This is
We already gave you
insane.
plenty of ample warnings.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. I heard you. Thank you so much. We just can't charge her with that because she won't walk past my stairs. But we'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now. Nope.
My phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please?
How many
just
times
give
you
me-
asked for a
You're
discount?
taking
What's
my
the
phone
counter
from me.
looking like?
You're taking my phone from me, like.
Sarah,
So
you're in trouble.
Ma'am, can you
Wait,
walk?
you're
Thank you.
taking all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are they gonna do?
It's gonna go on your
What are
property.
they? I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my
Yes.
things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're
We're not
Like
taking your
please,
things.
my stuff is over there and I want it. And
coming with us.
I
Can you stand up so we don't
please,
have to drive you?
please don't do this.
I'm right behind you.
Please don't like get my shoe.
I got it. Let's go.
Come on.
Stop tensing up.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? So you're
No
gonna
one wants to hurt
me?
you.
Come on, like, please, like, don't hurt me. Like,
This is my phone.
You're the other way. Do you want us to take it?
What the fuck are you?
Ma'am?
What is wrong with
We're gonna
you?
get a resisting too.
come on, you're gonna hurt me.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Don't hurt
No one
me.
is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
Sit next to me.
on you? Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Can I please put that with us down?
Nope, but you're gonna free ride to the Orange County Jail.
Everly.
She's caught on me.
She lives step like a mannequin challenge type. Like,
I just want a discount. Please, I just
What we're gonna do?
want a discount.
We're gonna put her
For a
in the car
discount,
backwards,
baby.
right? And then you're gonna go on the other
the
side of the
toes
car.
that came
pull
out
her in
the
by her leg.
shoeseries.
You're gonna hurt
Oh
me
my
because
God.
I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her. Legs. Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm. My arm.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
I'll get you the statement.
I think she has. I think she has some raw stuff in there.
I ain't gonna lie, that was the most exhausting shoplift reaction video I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. That was exhausting. Sir, whoever you are, run and run fast. Change your number, change your address, move out of state, move out of the country. She's crazy, okay? I don't know how you didn't see the red flags. She can't even think, she can't even process anything that they were saying to her, let alone, like, what did you want from Ross that was that bad that you didn't want to leave if they didn't put it on layaway for you, hold it for you? And why are you going shopping if you don't got the money and your boyfriend got the money? You're going to sit in there and ask for a discount and then what? What was the move? Oh, you're just going to stay there until 7 o'clock and your boyfriend got there to work. Now, if your boyfriend loses his job, listen, the relationship needs to be over already. Like, you need help. Psychologically, mentally, you need some help, baby. Like, this ain't normal behavior from a normal human being that's grown with a ring on their finger, with a dress on, with heels on, or flats, whatever. Sitting cubicle style in Ross, acting like a 5-year-old. It's insane to me. Like, this was exhausting. I have really no emotions. Like, it was hard to react when you just exhausted from somebody like that just is a grown person that just can't comprehend, but is inside a department store acting crazy, let alone a fucking Ross. Let alone a Ross. We're talking about Ross. I feel like I sound like Allen Iverson. We're talking about practice. We're talking about Ross and a discount at Ross. A discount at Ross.